It's just unlimited money, right? What more can you ask for? All right, what do we gotta do? Wow, look at that. $200, just like that. What's going on, YouTube? Welcome back to Currency Counts, where I cover all things money. So these guys won't stop. These scammers won't stop scamming. How about that? So ever since I put up my video on how this Cash App money hack scam works, I've had nothing but spam in the comment section of that video. I take all this spam down daily. Check this out. I'm so impressed with your job, above name. Look at this guy, Franklin Feld. It's fake. Of course it's fake. That's the whole point of the video. I'm out here trying to educate people from getting scammed with this Cash App money hack because it's not real. And these scammers have gone as far as to try to get this video taken down. If you're not sure what I'm talking about, let me show you.
Yo, you guys gotta give this Cash App hack a try right now. Just watch this video all the way to the end.
Gotta settle down there, coming in a little bit too hype. This guy actually sounds like that guy from Atlanta, that social media guy that comes out. Sounds almost exactly like that. It might even be him. But anyway, this is how the scam works. They're telling you download this certain app, the new Cash App. And once you download that, you go through a few hoops and check this out. Once you do that, look at, oh man. No, he didn't. No, he didn't. Look at how weak this app looks. Look, you can clearly tell they pasted a 2 right here. This green doesn't even match this right here. And this font is not even the Cash App money font. I don't even know what this is right here. Oh man, you can do a better job than that.
I've been doing this for a while, and you can actually withdraw the money, take it out via check, PayPal, Bitcoin.
Yeah, I don't know about any of that. Let's go back here. You just click it, add. Oh, you added another $50. Wow, check that out, free. Okay, he's telling you how to do it. Boom, 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 downloading cashapp.gz. Yeah, that sounds legit. Kidding, of course. Look at this guy right here. This whole thing looks sketchy. Red flags all over the place. The new method, let's check this guy out. He has no money, starting out with no money. Starting injection. I made the comment on my last video on Cash App that starting injection kind of sounds like you're injecting a virus. All right, you got the new Cash App here. You got $0. Let's see where it takes us. All right, what do we got to do? Wow, look at that. Money don't stop. $200, just like that. $500 in 5 minutes. All right, so this guy's ready to download, ready to get that money. He's making all that money, but he can't even buy a phone that's not cracked. How about that? That money just keeps on going. Sounds good, right? Thumbs up. Oh yeah, let's do it. Cash App free money method made me $1,000 every 5 minutes. Come on now. So check this out. There's a Cash App and Cash App Plus Plus. Why would Cash App have a plus plus? It's not a real Cash App. Look at this one right here. It's getting $100. Check that out. Boom. Add another 100. Let's go for one more. But think about it. How can somebody give you 300? Where's that money coming from? It's not real. So let's cover how this scam really works. So they'll tell you to go to a certain website where you can download the new app. You enter your information. You have to download a few additional apps before you can go forward. So in between that, they didn't show where you had to enter all your personal information. They skipped that part. And a lot of times they're gonna ask you for stuff like your social security number. So what these scammers, alleged scammers, will do is they'll either have the app made themselves or they'll go to a network that has the app already. They'll make a quick video like this one, throw it all over social media, and hopefully you bite on it. See, this one right here, it's about a year old, has 193,000 views. Once you download the app from their link, they got you. They're gonna ask you for a few different steps. They're gonna ask you for personal information. They're also gonna ask you to download several different apps. They're also gonna ask you, which kind of is worth its weight in gold, is your email address, because with your email address, you're gonna start getting a ton of different spam from a ton of different places. So look at this. They're asking you to download all these different apps, which these guys are affiliated with, right? So every time you download an app through their app, they're getting money. Whether you purchase that other app or not, they're getting money for you downloading it. Also, when you download the app, you have the potential of getting malware installed into your phone, which is kind of like a tracking device. It tracks everything, all your movement on your phone, your apps, your website, your location, your accounts, your PIN numbers, and just about anything you do on your phone. And that can be devastating, especially if you do online banking. I've even seen some of these apps ask you for extensive personal information, like your social security number, how you file your taxes, whether it's joint or head of household, how many children you have. Basically, they're stealing your identity, allegedly. Videos like this are all over social media. just don't fall for it because it's not real. You think these guys are doing this to make you money? No, they're doing this to make themselves money, because anybody who has a real plug like that is not gonna put it out there like that. If somebody has that golden faucet just getting all this money over and over, you're not gonna wanna give up that info. Think of it like that. This scam is not real, don't fall for it. I can't stress that enough. I hope this video helped you out. Check you on the next one.